Let's work on LT6 remediation. Okay, writing equation. So we start out with y equals a, and then 1, 2, 3, x-intercepts, change all the signs, right? All opposite signs. Bounce is 2, bounce is 2. Why did I put x? Because it's x plus 0. Pass is just 1. So now you have to put in your x and y to figure out your a value. So 25 is a, 4 plus 8 over 3 squared, 4 squared, 4 minus 5. Now open your calculator. We're going to enter that part with 4 plus 8 over 3 squared times 4 squared times 4 minus 5. Okay, it's that number. But you know how we're going to divide it by, what was it? Negative 711.11 to find out what a is, right? Because then these would cancel out. So I'm just going to keep that the way it is. Then I'm going to do 25 divided by the answer on my calculator. I mean, you could just kind of round it. You get this, turn it into a fraction, negative 9 over 256. So all I have to do is replace the a with negative 9 over 256. I will box my answer. There. Cool? Let's try B. Y equals a, 1, 2, 3, 4. All opposite sides. 10 over 3, 5 over 2, positive 2, and positive 3. And look, pass, 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 pass. These are all passing, so I don't have to put anything. Now the point they gave us is 0, negative 50. So x, y. So we put negative 50 for y. I don't know what a is. And plug in 0 for all these x's. Let's see what we end up. Well, 0 plus 10/3 is 10/3 times 2/5. Oh, 2/5 times, 0 minus 2 is negative 2. Oh no, that's not negative. Negative 2. And negative 3. 8. So 8 divided by 8 divided by 8. 50 divided by 8 is 25 over 4. So I'm just going to put negative 25 over 4. And there you have it. You just need to put the a value back in there. Cool. C. Let's do C. Y equals a, opposite. Oh, that's my 9. Opposite. Bounce, bounce. So I'm going to put 2 and 2. Now, what point did they give us? They gave us 0, 6. So that's going to be x, that's going to be y. 6a, 0 plus 9 over 4 squared, 0 minus 3 squared. 6 equals 8 times. So this time I got 9 over 4 squared times negative 3 squared. That. So it's 45.5625. I mean, I could. You just have to divide everything by that, right? Okay, I cannot really, you know how I cannot really type well with this pen right now. The one that I have at home, it doesn't work well. So, bottom line, you just have to do 6 divided by 45.5625. 5625. Turn that into a fraction. 32 over 243. So you just have to go over to the A. Your equation say 32 over 243. That's my equation. Let's do this one. Y equals A, negative 4, so it's going to be plus 4. Negative, so it's going to be positive 5 over 3. Bounce right there, so this is going to be 2. What point did they give us? 0, 40. So x, y. So 40 is going to be the y, a is going to be a, 4 and 5 over 3 squared because I plugged in 0 for the x's. So that would be 4 times 5 over 3 squared. Now I'm going to do 40 divided by that answer we just got. 3.6. 18 over 5 would be nice. Okay, so this was 40 equals a times 11.11111, right? Then you just have to divide it by that. That's how we got a value as 18 over 5. Okay, that's my a, 18 over 5. Cool? Now we actually have to sketch them. Okay, it's not bad, but you wouldn't be able to do this unless you understood LT4 when we were factoring. So, factor, I'm taking out the 9x squared, so it becomes x minus 3. I'm taking out the 4, it's x minus 3. So, x minus 3, 9x squared minus 4. Of course, you should be able to do more steps for all of these because we designed it that way. This is it. So that's how we factor it. So now from LT5, we talked about how to find the roots. You have a positive 3, you have a negative 2 over 3, you have a positive 2 over 3. Those are the 3 roots that we have. So, negative 2/3, 2/3, and positive 3. Now, degree, right? Degree would be 1, 1, 1. Third degree, odd, positive. So it's gonna go opposite direction like this. Look, 1, 1, 1. They're all gonna pass, pass, pass. So all the questions where we make you guys grab, it's gonna look like this. Okay, I kind of paused for 2 seconds because I forgot that we have to find the Y-intercept. Y-intercept is gonna be 12 because if you plug in 0, 0, 0 for x's, you're just gonna end up with a 12. So yes, as an honors class student, you do have to put 12, otherwise you don't get full credit. Okay, 12 as in like you have to find the Y-intercept. Moving on. Let's try this. Okay, this one, do you see x's? There are 3. There's gonna be 6x equals 0, so x is 0. Multiplicity is 2, so it's gonna bounce. Next one is gonna be negative 4. It's gonna pass. Why? Because multiplicity is odd. This one, negative 3 over 4. It's gonna pass. So the 3 points that you need is 0, negative 3/4, negative 4. Except this is pass, but this is bounce. Now you have to think about degrees. Now what is a degree? 2, 1, 1. So that's 4. It's even. Degree is 4. Even. And it's positive because 6 was positive. So they're gonna be both going up and up. Even. Pass, pass, bounce. Cool? Alright, let's do one more time. Let's start with degree this time. Degree, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 9. Odd. Negative odd. Okay, negative odd means odd, odd, okay? Opposite direction. It's negative, so it's gonna go down and it's gonna start up there. 3 zeros are, or 3 roots are, here we have a 0. but it's gonna bounce because of that m is 2. Multiplicity is 2. So at 0, it's gonna bounce. The middle guy, you get 6. It's going to pass. Why? Because m is 3. Multiplicity is 3. And then this guy here, we get x equals 5 over 2. It's going to bounce. Why? Because multiplicity is even number. So we have 5 over 2 and we have 6. This is gonna bounce and this is gonna pass. So start from the left. Bounce, bounce, but this time you pass. Cool? Alright, couple more. I gotta factor first. Again, we gotta check. You gotta check your LT. What was it? LT4. They do all turn out to be something that we can factor. These are all factorable. If it's not factorable, you would have to do a lot more work to find the zeros, right? We gotta do, what do you call it? Yeah, quadratic formula and all that good stuff. So, I'm sorry. I know I'm going over this fast. If you are reviewing for LT6, you should really know how to do this by now. So, 3 points are -7, oh no, -2, -7 over 2, right? Because -7 over 2 is -3.5. That's a 2. See, with my pen that I'm using, I cannot even erase it. So 2. It is an odd degree. Why? Because x is 1, 1, 1. It's odd. It's positive. And I'm telling you, all the ones that you have to factor is always going to look like this. Now, let's not forget the y-intercept this time. So you have to put 0, 0, 0, and the y-intercept is going to be -28. So pass, pass, pass. Cool? Now, just in case you're wondering about y-intercept from number 4, I didn't have to do it because it actually did pass the origin. So that's like the y-intercept too. 6. Let's see. What is a degree? 3 plus 2 plus 1. This 5 does not count because there's no x. Okay? So that is 6. It's even. So even or even. Okay? But it has negative. It's even negative. So these are going to go down. These are going to go down at the end. The 3 zeros are, okay, the first 3, that does not, the 5, that does not count because there's no x in it, okay? We are going to get 5 over 3. And that's going to be pass. Why? Because multiplicity is odd. Middle, that's going to give us -5. It's going to bounce. I don't need to repeat, right? 2. So this, x is going to be 2. So we have -5, that's going to bounce. We have 2, that's going to pass because it's 1. And then we have, oh no, I made a mistake. 5/3 is before 2. 5/3 is 1.6666. And then there's 2. So that's going to be pass and that's going to pass. So when we connect them, we start from the left arrow, go up to this. Uh-oh, we have to find the y-intercept this time. Pause, pause, pause. Pause, pause, pause. Oh no, we got 1 minute left. So plug in zeros for all the x's and find the y-intercept. I'm going to pause it and I'm going to put in the calculator. I have about 40 seconds left, so I just actually entered in the calculator just to show you. And then you get, I'm sorry, oh, negative. So just put a random point and call it -131,250. Okay, I just plug in 0 for all the x's. So bounce it down here, you pass it, there you have it. Alright, number 7, I'm going to do the work and I'm going to just show you the answer so I can save time. Guys, sorry, so this is number 7. This is number 8. You guys all know this, right? And there! I don't know what to stop.